power zone. So now I have to get my arm well above. So now it is right up here by my chest. I'm raising my arm up higher into the zone so that when I go over and around, I can keep the disc still pretty flat to the ground, just with a little bit of anhydrous. And as long as I pull around and snap and follow through, the disc is going to turn to the right. It doesn't matter how overstable it is, it's going to start turning to the right. Okay, so here's how it looks when I set my footwork up. I'm going to set myself up towards the 10 o'clock because that's the widest angle that I can throw the disc. It's the furthest on width of the tee or the fairway that I can throw the disc. It's the 10 o'clock. I can't go any further. Okay, so I'm going to guide myself from the 10 o'clock and try to get my disc to come back to 12 o'clock on the way around. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm going to keep my body, if I start like this, I'm losing. I can't come into the throw like this because I have all of these angles to recreate. So I get my body in position right away from the beginning. I set myself up really tall. I visualize that over and around swing in a very flat motion. I'm not going straight into the sky. Still keeping the disc 8, 10, 9 feet off of the ground somewhere in there. I'm just going to let my body guide the way, let my arm guide the way and snap my wrist at that release point, just like it was any of the other shots. Hyzer, the snap is there. Flat, the snap is there. So anhyzer, the timing is always the same. The timing of your swing should feel very consistent. You're just doing it in different positions.
Yeah, the tough part about the roller, why some people have a tougher time with the turn over, is the commitment with the back of the body and making sure they turn it.
Over and around.
Follow through is really key with the turnover shots.
All right, that was pretty stable, so it didn't make it back to the 12. Here's another thing. Typically, the more stable the disc is, you can cheat the line in a little bit because the disc isn't going to completely roll when it's got stability. The less stable it is, the wider the line's going to be. More stable, the tighter to the 12 you can draw the line with the more stable disc. That makes sense? Because the stable disc is going to want to try to fight back left again sometimes. That's if it's a mid-range or a putter or something like that. They're typically not going to have that much stability to hook up like a Firebird or a fairway driver or something like that. So your mid-ranges and your putters and stuff like that should hold that one angle, one turn the majority of the flight. You just keep holding and maybe at the end drop out a little bit. That's with something stable. If I had something less stable, that flight's just going to keep on holding to the right. That's what negative does in a disc. It just keeps turning. It's not going to hook up.